Good morning, futures traders. Today's Friday, December 12th. The time 9:32. Unfortunately, I missed the open today due
Praedox
to a
EMA breakout
NinjaTrader
short.
issue, and I had a reboot, so I missed our opening breakout, which would have been a one and done kind of trade. So now we're going to just wait for our next valid setup. We have an EMA breakout here to the downside. You can see our pre-market prediction was opening down, and it did indeed open down. We're now at the London low, hovering around here, so I will not be taking a breakout here because we do have support right here. Pulsekeeper is looking down right now. We will just wait patiently. We have some large bars at this moment. So you can see here, market forecast at 929, open down. You could take your short here. You were going down here. Like I said, I got one of those yellow hanging orders right away. So I had to reboot NinjaTrader. Unfortunately, missed it. And now we have an EMA breakout here. But again, we have the London low, we have our current low, and then we have our support area right here. So it may be trying to get to the magnet, which is the VWAP. So we are going to be very selective here. I will pause the video until we get into a trade. Okay, so you can see here the trend cycle wave heat map is starting to flash weakness to the downside. This closes above. We'll get an
Slingshot
EMA break
long.
to this, or a slingshot we got there. But it's going right into the VWAP. Going into the VWAP, but we have plenty of ticks there. And the blue line starting to cross up over.
Order canceled.
And we are done. For the day. You can see we traded our elite accounts today, which were 16 of those, and that's our P&L for the group for today. So let's just review, turn this off. Let's just review here. So we had an EMA break at the pre-open, pre-market. We had the forecast prediction down. We had a nice big EMA breakout to the downside right at the open. Unfortunately, I had the NinjaTrader error, so I had to reboot. And that was a nice big winner right there. So you would have had a one and done day right off the first bar. Or even if you took the trade here at the open down, you could have gotten at minimum 20 ticks, but you could have ridden it down if you had a nice trail. We did have another EMA breakout signal here. We did not get it because of 3. And then we had the slingshot to the upside. Now, let me explain why I enabled it to take the slingshot to the upside. So even though Pulsekeeper had red, the blue line was starting to cross over. So you can see here, slingshot, the blue line was starting to cross above here. The trend cycle wave heat map showed weakness. So we went red to this light color gold, then a light green. Okay, and as soon as we did that, that's a good trade. Okay, I put my first target below the VWAP just to at least get into that, and then it just shot up. So again, reading the market, reading price action, looking at your tools that Praedox Trader's Assistant provides you with can get you a nice profit. So we're done. We had a 1-0 type of day. We're finished for the day. We take our profit across all of our accounts, and we wait for another payday. So with that said, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to shoot me an email, send a comment, shoot me a message on Discord. Happy to respond. If you have any interest in Praedox, join our Discord. A lot of great traders there using it. We just had another trader, Michael. I'm going to give Michael some kudos coming out here. Michael's been with me for a while, and this is some of the best trading that I've seen him be doing in a while. He just got funded on 3 more accounts using Praedox. So kudos to Michael. If you get on Discord, you'll see him as Michael, and just give him a shout out. Anyway, if you have interest, go to Praedox.com, Praedox.com, or jump on the Discord. You can see all the results that are happening. We're having a lot of success with our traders. They're enjoying it, and we have great interaction. So, as always, like and subscribe for this video. Hit that bell notification so you get the bell when I post more content. With that said, have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday.